After Nirav Modi, former IPL chief Lalit Modi's citizenship was cancelled by Vanuatu's Prime Minister. The island country cancelled the passport it granted to Lalit Modi, who faces allegations of financial irregularities in India. Its Prime Minister Jotam Nipat said that while all background checks were conducted during his applications and no criminal records were noticed, his passport was issued. However, Napat was made aware that Interpol had twice rejected Indian authorities' request to issue an alert notice on Modi due to lack of substantive judicial evidence. Hence, his citizenship was automatically rejected. Napat added that people should not seek passports to avoid extradition. Last week, Modi had made an application to surrender his Indian passport at the High Commission of India in London, saying that he has acquired citizenship of Vanuatu. Now, if Modi's cancellation of Indian passport is accepted, then he may become an illegal alien in the UK. Modi is wanted by Indian law enforcement agencies in connection with allegations of embezzlement of crores of rupees during his stint as the IPL chief. On March 8, Modi posted on X saying no court of law in India has a case pending against him personally and it's only media fiction, he added. After the rejection, Modi took to social media to share pictures of him from Vanuatu. Before this, Vanuatu had also rejected Nirav Modi's citizenship application after his 13,600 crore rupees banking fraud in PNB went public. But why are these billionaires seeking refuge in Vanuatu after committing financial frauds? Apart from the scenic views, the island offers easy citizenship through its Citizenship by Investment program, which requires non-refundable donation or investment. As per the CIIP, the amount required for single applications is $155,000, which is approximately 1.3 crore rupees, easy for billionaires and rich people. The process is fast too, requiring minimal documentation. Second, it is a growing tax haven, as there is no income tax, no corporate tax or wealth tax, inheritance tax or no capital gains tax. So businesses can do business tax free in the country and traders can trade tax free. Third, it is an emerging crypto hub with Satoshi Island set to transform into a premier destination for blockchain experts and digital asset enthusiasts worldwide. Fourth, it is cheap too. Vanuatu's currency is Vatu and 1 Indian rupee equals approximately 1.4 Vatu. The country is close to Australia and is located between Australia and Fiji. It is known for its volcanic activities and has 83 islands in the South Pacific Ocean, of which 65 are inhabited.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.